In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use contactless card on London Underground. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a contactless card on the London Underground is a convenient way to pay for your travel. So in this video, I'm gonna go over the process and some things to keep in mind. Before you actually travel, check your card. Make sure that your contactless card has this symbol, usually four wavy lines as you can see here, and most major card networks like Visa, MasterCard, and Maestro are going to be accepted, but check with your bank if you are unsure. Once you go ahead and you make sure that you have contactless payments enabled during your journey, touch in. So look for the yellow card reader at the entrance of the underground station. All that you have to do now is hold your contactless card near the reader. This will give you a beep, which is the sound indicator, and a green light indicating a successful tap, and you can go ahead and proceed. Now just enjoy your ride. When you have to touch out when you reach your destination station, find another yellow card reader at the exit and tap your contactless card again. This ensures that you are charged the correct fare based on your zones traveled, and this is going to be done entirely automatically. So you don't have to keep manually tracking this. As long as you tap in and touch out, you will be good to go. Some important points to remember are always touching in and out. Tapping both at the beginning and end of your journey ensures that you are charged the right fare. Failing to touch out might result in a higher maximum fare being charged. You have to use one card per person. You cannot use a single contactless card to pay for multiple travelers. Each person needs their own card to tap in and out, and daily fare cap applies. There is a daily cap on fares, so after a certain amount is spent in a day on travel, any further journeys that day will not be charged. For cards issued outside of the UK, there might be overseas transaction fees applied by your bank. And remember to always visit the TfL or Transport for London official guide if you need more up-to-date information besides this video. I hope I was able to help you on how to use contactless card on London Underground. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.